This experiment uses non-contact strain measuring equipment to monitor and capture the stent-induced non-uniform strain on a mock artery. First, prepare a mock vessel for the stent expansion environment. After calibrating the Aramis software system, expand the stent and capture the deformation of the mock vessel. Results from analyses of the stent-induced strain along one axial path of mock vessel show that the stent-induced strain distribution on mock vessel is non-uniform.
The primary advantage of the Aramis camera system versus other methods of strain measurement, such as strain gauges, are that the Aramis camera system allows for non-contact strain measurement. This protocol will demonstrate how to calibrate the Aramis system along with analysis of the sample.
Here, this method offers insights into strain distribution due to stent expansion. It can also be applied to other systems, like a strain on a cadaver head during the shock wave, or a strain on steel bar under tension.
First, fix both ends of the latex vessel to barbed hose connections that are fastened on a sturdy workbench. For a stent test, center the area of interest between the barbed hose connectors and include approximately 1 inch on each side of the stent in order to observe the strains outside the stented area. Measure the area of interest on the latex vessel to determine the field of view. Next, record the distance from the outside edge of one barbed hose connector to the center location between the connectors. Translate the distance onto the catheter by measuring from the center of the stent up the catheter. Then, mark the catheter with a marker. Now remove the